How to enable voice search on YouTube on Samsung Smart TV. So from your main homepage under Discover category, go ahead and open YouTube application. Now, once you come here, at the bottom left corner, go ahead and select Settings. Now once you come to Settings page, scroll down below and you'll see the option of microphone access. Make sure that you select the option of On. Once you do so, go to the option of Search. Now, all you would have to do is long press on this microphone icon and then you can do a voice search. So, I'm going to long press on it. Login aid. Now, once you do so, you will successfully be able to enable voice search on YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.